What is the strategy?
Pray for my screening. Recommendation तो नहीं आ रहा. What next? Everybody is your friend until it comes to the marriage. हाथापाई हो जाती है. उसका सामान गायब कर दूंगी.
सुहानी में क्वालिटीज पहले नहीं थी. रिकमेंडेशन का नाम आता ही डर था, नहीं था.
I had my hands shivering.
Guys, सुहानी scored AI over 1. Guys, सुहानी scored AI over 1, right? सबसे top, right? Guys, clap for her. मैं इस सेशन की शुरुआत इस तरीके से मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि सुहानी ने अपना पहला रिकमेंडेशन थर्ड अटेम्प्ट में लेके आया. ठीक है, थर्ड अटेम्प्ट में रिकमेंडेशन आया एंड पहला वाला था हमारा कॉन्फ्रेंस आउट, दूसरा था हमारा कॉन्फ्रेंस
Conference
आउट,
out.
तीसरा वाला हमारा
Recommended.
रिकमेंडेशन. वी आर वेरी प्राउड दैट यू आर है. एंड गाइस, मैं बताना चाहूँगा, राइट, सुहानी अकेले नहीं, शी हैज़ कम विथ हर फादर एंड हर यंगर ब्रदर. एंड मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत बड़ी बात है एक पिता के लिए भी कि उनकी बेटी अब एक ऐसी जगह पे जा रही है जहाँ पे उन्होंने हमेशा सोचा था, राइट. सो बिग अचीवमेंट. सो सुहानी, लाइक जब तुम्हारा नाम फाइनली आ गया मेरिट के अंदर एंड दैट 2-on-1, हाउ वाज द फील?
Sir, I was in the other room, so my office was ongoing, and I just checked the phone. So one of my friends, she messaged me, "Congratulations, AIR won." तो उसके बाद I just shouted in the house कि डर आ गया. And then when I scrolled and I saw my name in the list, I had my hands shivering. And my dad told me that sit down, बैठ जा, गिर जाएगी. And it was a very good feeling. मतलब I definitely saw myself there, but when it's real, it feels different.
ओके. सो सुहानी, लाइक शुरुआत करते हैं तुम्हारे अपने थर्ड अटेम्प्ट के साथ. जब तुम थर्ड अटेम्प्ट में जा रहे थे देहरादून, जाने से पहले कैसे फीलिंग आ रही थी?
So I was very confident for that attempt. मतलब day before my screening, I called my mom and I told her कि मम्मा, you just pray for my screening and for my psych. उसके आगे जो है मैं सब संभाल लूंगी. And this was when this came after when my second attempt का जो my biggest flaw that I felt for myself was the interview. And when I was going for my third attempt, the most confident I was about interview. So that made a lot of difference in my attitude of how I was going ahead with things.
चलो मैं थोड़ा सा अपने बैच के बारे में मैं बता देता हूँ. ये आज जो हमारा बैच जो स्टार्ट हुआ है, राइट, इसके अंदर मैक्सिमम हमारे फ्रेशर्स हैं, राइट, मैक्सिमम फ्रेशर्स हैं और इसमें 5-6 हमारे रिपीटर्स हैं. और मुझे तो ये लगता है कि एक फ्रेशर के लिए सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है कि लाइक आप जहाँ पे जाना चाहते हो ना, वहीं का अगर एक फाइनल स्टेज पे जो कोई कैंडिडेट है वो मिल जाए तो बड़ा अच्छा रहेगा, ताकि ये पूरी जर्नी पता चल जाएगी. आप लोगों के लिए तो शुरुआत है, राइट. एंड सुहानी इज अबाउट टू ज्वाइन हर अकेडमी 20th of June.
So 28th.
20th of June. सो मेरे ख्याल से आप लोग के लिए एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है. एंड सुहानी, मुझे लगता है आज आप जो जो बातें बताएंगे इनके लिए तो बड़े गोल्डन वर्ड्स होंगे.
I hope I can help.
डेफिनेटली. सो सुहानी, एक बात बताओ कि तुम्हें सबसे पहले जब अपनी तैयारी शुरू की थी, ऐसे भी साइक कहाँ से आया?
During my second attempt, I had one group member, and generally room mein we were talking about that how did you prepare, and that time she mentioned SSB Psych, and then she turned out to be getting recommended in that attempt. I was like,
Who was?
Gauri.
Okay.
And when I saw that, I was like, if she's doing, why not give it a shot?
Okay.
Then I came to SSB Psych.
ओके. तो गाइज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि सुहानी ने SSB साइक का ऑनलाइन बैच अटेंड किया था. इट इज़ लाइक डेली शाम को 6:30 से 9 बजे तक सुहानी ऑनलाइन बैच में थी. आप सब लोग तो सामने बैठे हो. ऑनलाइन में कैसा माहौल था पूरा?
Sir, good. So online, why I took online batch was because I was working. So for that, it was more easier for me because I had a hybrid working situation. So I was working and then I used to come join in class immediately. So around 6, I used to wrap up work and 6:30, I used to be sitting in the class. And it's almost same as you feel here over here. Matlab, if you are interested and you're listening properly, it's very conversational. and their slides and everything. It was a wonderful experience. मतलब वो 3 घंटे कहाँ निकल जाते थे, you don't know.
ओके, अब हम बात करें इस चीज़ की कि हाउ वाज योर थर्ड अटेम्प्ट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट टू अटेम्प्ट?
I'll tell things in very detail. So in my first attempt, I did not expect myself to even clear AFCAT. I was in my 7th semester of BTech and I was partially eligible, and I just filled the form to gain the experience of AFCAT. And when I gave the exam and I came out, my dad asked that, how was your exam? I was like, Papa, इस time नहीं, अगली बार हो जाएगा. And पर वो हो गया था. And then I went to give SSB. I was dreaming, but again I was desperate, which cost me there.
Your first attempt?
Yes, in my first attempt. Because then you are dreaming, but there's a borderline difference between determined and being desperate. There's a very fine line. And I was desperate that time. I thought that being the best in my group will get me recommended, but that was not the case. You need to be the right fit, the right person, and then you get recommended. It's not that you have to be the best in your group. So, because when pressure used to build on me and I used to not perform, I used to feel it in myself that I'm not performing. And that used to cost my confidence. And your confidence is your biggest ornament over there. For my second attempt, I was worse than my first attempt. In my first attempt, at least I was me. In my second attempt, I wasn't even me. Because then I had been filled with a lot of information from everywhere. People, my natural personality is I'm very talkative and very chirpy. People told me you don't have to be that way. You got to be very serious. You got to be like a thoda khadoos. I did that. So for me, sitting like this is comfortable. We all sit in our GDs like this. This is a very uncomfortable position for me to sit in, which usually we are told that you should sit like this. But for me, this was not comfortable. But I was sitting like this in my second attempt, even though I was not comfortable like this.
तो रिपीटर्स ने अपना काम कर दिया था basically.
Yes, sir. That cost me a lot. Because now I knew that I didn't even give myself over there. And it came everywhere, from your group task to your psychology to my interview, especially in my interview.
You like कैसे?
Sir, I was not secure in myself. I had this constant thought in my mind that there are things that I've done wrong, and he'll come to know that they are wrong, and then he'll not select me, and he'll feel that I'm not good. Whereas I was good. And a lot of my personality and a lot of my interview, how I aced it this time, came from my chirpiness and from my confidence, which I was hiding that time, due to which I was panicking. I was not being myself, which cost me. Third attempt, my mind was clear that I'll be me. I was more secure about myself. I was very secure about my PIQ. Whatever is there is there. And whatever I've done in life, I've done. I had my goals very clear, that this is it, and if this is not, I'll still do it in life. You take me, good for you. You don't take me, I'm going to ace life anyways.
So you mentioned like you were clear, right? I think most of the people just say that like be yourself. But how to be? Just be yourself. How did you come to this conclusion that okay, this is what I want from my life? Or in short, how you got the clarity?
Sir, we all have a big set of goals in life. Somebody wants a house. Somebody wants to provide for the family. Somebody wants to give the society. Somebody wants to be an icon for their siblings. Those are a bigger set of goals in life. We all as defense aspirants have chosen that our goal, our path to achieve those goals is defense, is AFCAT, CDS, Army, Air Force, Navy. If I don't do this, I will anyway fulfill those goals, right? And my idea was that if you don't take me, I'll take my second path. but I'm going to fulfill those goals
So in short, with you,
without you.
without you. राइट, परफेक्ट. तो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं. पहले एक काम करते हैं कि थोड़ा आप सर कैंडिडेट्स को भी पता चले आपके बैकग्राउंड के बारे में. आपने क्या पढ़ाई की है, थोड़ा सा मार्क्स बता दो, थोड़ा सा एकेडमिक चीज़ें बता दो. क्या है ना, दुनिया वाले इससे जज पहले करते हैं. टेल अबाउट योर एजुकेशन.
So I've done my 10th from ICSE board and I scored 87.8%. I did my 12th from CBSE wherein I scored 80.2. I've done my BTech from Krishna Engineering College, a small college in Ghaziabad affiliated to AKTU, wherein I scored 69.9%.
अच्छा, 69 हो जाता है इसमें. ओके, अब बात करें, तुमने आईआईटी एग्जाम दिया था?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, नहीं हुआ.
नहीं.
ओके, तो दोस्तों सेम चीज़ है, राइट, कि अकेडमिक से क्या एसएसबी निकलेगा नहीं, आईआईटी निकले ना निकले फर्क नहीं पड़ता. एम आई राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली एसएसबी को क्या चाहिए?
Sir, attitude. What my dad would say. The right attitude.
थोड़ा elaborate on this.
I'll quote when my first attempt was there. So जब आपकी conference हो जाती है, the president comes and gives you a small talk. And उसमें he said that SSB is not much. It's very simple to clear. You have an idea of type of people you want in the society. You want kind-hearted people. You want well-spoken people. You want helpful people. You want smart people. You want people who take decisions in pressure around you in case of emergency. If you want that kind of people around you, just be that person and you will clear SSB. That is the requirement of SSB.
अब बात करते हैं कि अब सबकी नज़र एक चीज़ पे है कि सुहानी जस्ट टेल अस हमें AIR 1 कैसे मिलेगा. राइट, सबको एक्चुअली सबकी एस्पिरेशन यही है, रिकमेंडेशन हो रहा है और उसका AIR 1 लेके आना है. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं एफकेट का मार्क्स कितने हैं आपके?
Sir, 138.
138 में AIR 1 आ जाता.
Sir, मेरा.
गाइस एग्जैक्टली आप लोगों को यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि बहुत सारे देयर इज वन कैंडिडेट, उसके 180 प्लस एसएसबी मार्क्स आ रहे थे. And you know what he decided not to go for AFSB just because he thought he will not just get merit in, because someone has told him that first attempt is a golden attempt and you should not go if your marks is less than 200. So 138 आपके रिटर्न के अंदर आए. मेरे ख्याल से इट इज़ दोज व्यूअर्स, बहुत सारे लोग हमारे ये जब इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं, मैं आपको यही बताना चाहता हूँ कि एफकैट में मार्क्स कितने आ रहे हैं इसके बेसिस से मेरिट पे मत जाना, बिकॉज आपकी मेरिट एसएसबी के मार्क्स से भी बनेगी. राइट, हाउ मच है परफॉर्मेंस इन एसएसबी ये आपको भी लिखा था. एंड बहुत बार ऐसे ही रहता है कि व्हेन यू विल गो टू एसएसबी तो वहाँ पे जब एसएसआर को पता चल जाता है कैंडिडेट इज गुड, देन ही गिव्स मोर मार्क्स जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट दिस कैंडिडेट डजंट मिसेस द मैन. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं स्क्रीनिंग के साथ. राइट, तो ये सारे फ्रेशर्स की एक रिक्वायरमेंट, सारे व्यूअर्स की एक रिक्वायरमेंट कि आपने 3 अटेम्प्ट दिए, इतना है कि यू नेवर गॉट स्क्रीन आउट. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी एंड दे वांट वेरी स्पेसिफिक.
There's no, I can't tell you do this and it'll work for you. Screening is a lot about presence of mind. Some situations might have worked for me, they might not work for you because your situation might be different. I did a certain action for that meant for a certain situation. I'll start with my first attempt, golden attempt, what we call for screening, because सब वहाँ पे freshers आते हैं and everybody is new to the environment, so everybody is very docile, polite, helping everybody, and first attempt की GD में that's butter. So one advice that is constant for all attempts is your story has to be about what is happening in the picture. टैट में जो कराते हैं और जो PPDT में स्टोरी होती है, they are not same, they are different. Your PPDT story has to be exactly what is happening in the picture. Exactly वो image में क्या हो रहा है, what is the demographic, who are the people, who is the main character, you have to think. And it is that is the entire point of that story. Second, the golden thing for you in the entire screening procedure has to be a narration. Because OIR mein you get time. Obviously, you have to do a good OIR. There's no doubt. There's immense of resources around you. There's something that the most predictable thing for the screening is your OIR. You can prepare it very nicely. But the most unpredictable part is that is the PPDT. So I'll talk more about it. So I've done the story part. Now comes the narration. Narration is the only part in the entire PPDT wherein you have complete 50 seconds to you. Nobody is going to stop you in that. And you have those 50 seconds to give your best. And if you don't give your best there, then you are the fool of the highest order. Your narration has to be so good that people outside come and they say that so-and-so, your narration was so good. And this has been for my all 3 attempts. Every time I've stepped out, 2-3 of my group mates have come and told me that your narration was good.
So when you say that narration was good, so what kind of narration makes it good? So basically, sometimes people just think just English is sufficient enough. But what exactly?
You have to be confident when you speak. When you speak, it should be like, I own this place. I belong here. And that is how you should speak. It should be loud. It should be clear. It can be short, but it should be very clear with pauses. You don't have to go like a Rajdhani Express ki 50 minutes में मुझे 2 मिनट का content देना है. नहीं. 50 seconds में 50 seconds का ही content देना है. But बहुत clear देना है. अगर वो पूरी थोड़ी सी छूट भी जाए तो चलता है. But the theme should go to the group and to the assessors.
Perfect. So guys, exactly what you meant is like in PPDT na, you just need to stick to the picture. Photo se dil laga do. And I believe like just like as you mentioned, like you should feel confident. I believe one should be more natural. I'm not in a pressure right now. Right? This is my natural way of speaking. In that way, guys, it is definitely gonna help you. Naturally. वो एक होता ना कि जो एक ही सांस में नरेशन देना वो एक लोगों को स्क्रीन आउट करवा था. अच्छा, व्हाट you have been to 3 SSB, ऐसे कैसे नरेशन में जहाँ पे लोग आउट हो जाते हैं, तुमने कुछ एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि पहले ही पता चल जाता है ये तो आउट हो ही गया?
सर एक तो नरेशन वही हुआ जो स्टोरी के अराउंड ही नहीं था. अब यू गिव अ लाउड एंड गुड नरेशन, बट जो तुम्हारा कंटेंट है जिसके बारे में तुम बात कर रहे हो, दैट इज नोवेयर क्लोज टू व्हाट वाज द पिक्चर आउट. सेकंड, वो I've seen people whose narration weren't that okay, but वो इतना घबरा भी नहीं रहे थे. उनकी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं थी, but they were okay with what it is. They were speaking well. Maybe their grammar wasn't good, but they were giving their 100%. There are some people जो बहुत प्रेशर में आ गए and वो बिल्कुल उनको वहाँ पे एंजाइटी अटैक्स आ गए and they stopped.
एकदम से रुक जाते हैं. Yes.
And in that case, I've seen that assessors are so good that they give them a second chance. That chess number so-and-so, do you want to speak again?
Oh, it has happened?
Yes. In my first attempt, it happened to one of the girl. But she didn't make it, but she was given a chance.
Okay. So now let's move toward the psychology part. Like in your third attempt, I believe till now you have got the knowledge like how much the psychology is, कितनी डिफिकल्ट है, कितना आसान है, क्या व्यूज बन चुके थे तब तक साइक के रिगार्डिंग? डर था, नहीं था, क्लैरिटी थी, नहीं थी, बिफोर कमिंग टू मी?
सर बिफोर कमिंग टू यू तो मुझे ये पता ही नहीं था कि साइक में अपना PIQ फॉर्म बहुत मैटर करता है. आई डिडंट नो दैट योर्स व्हाट इज देयर इन योर PIQ is sort of linked to your psych. I had no idea about that. And I won't say that I still am very good, maybe the best person to tell you about psych. But what I did this time was the stories that I wrote were about me. They were about the things that I did. How much I could write. So what I do suggest people is that you have certain things written in your PIQ form. You write about your debates, your sports, your portfolios that you've held. So you can write stories about them na. Why to go and become a farmer and write about that वो ideal irrigation वाली story जो सब हर जगह चिपका देते हैं,
ड्रिप इरिगेशन.
drip irrigation. तो वो क्यों लिखना है उसके बारे में when you could have written about a trip, you could have written about a train journey, you could have written about anything. But everybody goes and chooses that drip irrigation or that IS officer जिसने women crime बंद करा दिया था बिल्कुल. That is one. These are 2-3 stories which people write, and you think that assessors don't know about these stories, but even they have read countless stories and they know about all of them.
So let's dive more into the grammatical or perception test. So like when we say that like we are going to relate our PIQ with the TAT, give us some example in your third attempt how many stories you have written from the PIQ as well as from your self-description.
Self-description say a lot because yes, a lot of my stories came from my job because I was working in a startup. And in a startup you get a lot of different jobs to do, so you're playing multiple roles, and sometimes I could be I'm seeing how a designer works, so I could write a story on that. I could write a story about an operation. I could even write a story upon a founder because I'm seeing how my founder works. So 3-4 तो themes यहीं से उठ गई मेरी. Then there were some themes in my self description I wrote about my health. So because self description में थोड़ा सा you give a little negative also about you. You can't be a god over there. But I told that yes, one thing I want to work upon myself is my physique and my eating habits, and that I want to be better physically, writing like running and sports. So luckily in my group of pictures, 3 stories came only on running or sports.
Is it?
Yes. एंड उस पर बहुत ही सिंपल सा मेरे तो 3-4 फंडे वही लग गए कि डाइट ठीक हो गया एंड फिजिक बन गया, टाइम टेबल बन गया, उस पर 3-4 स्टोरीज बन गई.
Guys, आप देख रहे हो ना, actually it was this simple. It was not like कि सुहानी में qualities पहले नहीं थी. She always had. The only thing is, अरे कोई बता तो दे मुझे कि मुझे लिखना क्या है. And guys, let me tell you, right, when they say that you just need to do the introspection, it means just know yourself more and just put yourself into the stories. And for that you do not need to read any The Hindu, Indian Express. कुछ पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर अपने आप को जान लिया काफ़ी है, अपने आप को जान लिया. बट दिक्कत ये है हम अपने आप पे भी तो कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं रखते, इसलिए हम सोचते हैं दूसरे की कहानी लिख लेते हैं. दिस इज़ द ओनली रीज़न. जब हम खुद पे कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाते हैं, सिंपल हो जाते हैं. ओके, टैट का तो हो गया. व्हाट अबाउट योर WAT एंड SRT?
सो WAT के लिए तो ऐसे अ सिंपल थिंग जो कहते हैं ऑब्जर्वेशनल responses should be written, which all of us is taught through. Sir will also say observational responses. If you go on YouTube also people will say observational responses. But one thing that I say, you can take it as a joke or anything, but जो हमारे पापा एंड दादा हमको ज्ञान देते हैं उसको वैट में लिख दोगे तो हो जाएगा. Because that is their observation about world and society. Rest you can write about your observations, but yes, listen to them, it helps.
It's also an observation.
Yes.
You're observing your parents.
Yes.
Good. Okay, अब हम बात करते हैं SRT में. का तो सिंपल ही है, उस पर क्या डिस्कस करना या कुछ है something you felt कि right? No, in my third attempt my approach was different as compared to the first 2 attempts.
Things became very concise in how I was writing. I did a lot of practice for SRT only.
Okay.
TAT के लिए personally I did not do उतना ज़्यादा. I've seen people who do 200 stories. But during our classes, sir made us write a lot of themes. For me, those themes were enough. Once you get the theme, the story is easy to write. At that point of time, getting the theme is difficult when you see a story. Once you get the right theme, applying it is very easy. But for SRT, I did a little bit of practice because you have less time and you need to write more.
So how many SRTs you have attempted?
Sir, good number.
How much?
Sir, हो गया होगा 200 तो.
नहीं.
अच्छा, okay, there.
SSB, I was like
53.
53? Good. Because like, everyone wants to know like कि okay कितना attempt करना चाहिए. How many WAT?
So WAT 59.
59. Why did you miss one?
Sir, that is also one story of my SSB.
क्या बताओ.
One word that I missed in my WAT was selfish. And उधर मैं confused हो गई कि what should I write on selfish? Because I was like, what should I write on this? Because इसमें तो मुझे ज्ञान भी नहीं दिया कभी किसी ने कि what about selfish? And now if I write like don't be selfish, I'm like that is also wrong. Why not be selfish? But you should be selfish somewhere. तो वो अटक गया, and then I was like, that was the only thing that I was scared about in my conference. So I mentally had gone in my conference thinking they'll ask me some psychology questions because of that one word that I left there.
And what about your self-description? Were you able to write everything?
Yes, I wrote everything.
Perfect.
In fact, because I was working, my office section of the self-description wasn't very much ready till I went to my SSB. And वो मैंने उधर freestyle पे लिखा on the spot.
On the spot, what you felt?
Yes.
You just wrote it. Okay. Okay. Now let's come to the feeling. Like as soon as the psychology event was over, what was the feeling?
अब तो सोना है. I was like done.
अच्छा
अब
हाँ,
सोते हैं.
एयरफोर्स के अंदर तो ऐसा होता है ना कि they
Yes.
conduct it on a very same day. तो शाम को हुआ था?
Yes sir, till late at night उस time भूख बहुत लग रही थी, तो like अब जाके खाना है, सोना है.
कितने बजे खत्म हुआ था?
Sir 10ish होता है.
10.
9:30 10ish at night.
So those who are going for the AFSB guys, be ready. The same day you will be doing the PPDT as well as the psychology. So do not complain about it. कि सर टाइम नहीं मिला. ठीक है? So be ready guys. तो अब तो नींद ही आएगी.
हाँ sir, one thing I do suggest people is कि when you go for your psych, especially if you're going for AFSB, they'll tell you to wear formals, but wear your formals, but be very comfortable when you go for your psych test.
Psych test.
I was literally sitting with my jacket on my legs, proper full on comfort में बैठी थी, because I know कि 2.5 hours it's going to be regress writing. So I should be sitting very comfortably over there.
Okay. So now let's talk about interview. कितनी देर चला interview?
Sir ये तो नहीं पता, but yeah, around 1 hour तो हुआ
1
था.
hour. How was it?
So good. मतलब after I came out smiling. I went till the room also smiling. जितने रास्ते में लोग मिले थे, they were all saying, हाँ इसका हो गया, अच्छा हो गया.
कैसा चला इंटरव्यू? कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे? कितने फैमिली ओरिएंटेड थे? कितने पढ़ाई के जैसे थे? नए क्वेश्चंस क्या थे? पुराने क्वेश्चंस क्या थे? कुछ नया था या सेम था? सब कुछ बताओ इंटरव्यू के बारे में.
So I entered the interviewing officer's room. So one of my roommate, who was my group mate, she had told she had a previous interview with the president of the board.
Okay.
And she told us that he asks a lot of introspective questions. So he'll ask you a lot about your family, about you, why do you want to do certain things. So like ठीक है, मिल गए तो अच्छी बात. So when पहले तो देहरादून में there are 2 floors. So they took me to the first floor. I was like first floor पे तो कोई senior ही होंगे. Then I went inside and I knew, she gave me a description, he looks like this.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो when I went inside, I was like, oh, ये तो president है. I was like, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So I went there, I sat down. He was sitting, and then thoda normal greetings, and then he asked me. Things started with how many attempts, and why do you think this attempt is different? He started off from there only. So I gave him my answer that why things are different. I'm not being somebody else. And everything that I've written so far, so all the procedure was done. All testing was done, interviews was the last testing. So he had a lot to talk. He had to talk about my psych also. He had to talk about my group testing also, how was it? And then I told him how I performed. He asked me what type of command task did you get? How many individual obstacles did you do? Who did the most in your group? So it's like general talks about how much testing is done. Then he started on the CIQ. We all know the CIQs almost. They're all out. But a little problem with me is that मैं भूल जाती हूँ CIQ को. And मैं
कि तुम भूल गए वापस.
सर मैं बहुत बार भूल गई उधर. So the first CIQ that he asked, I gave him a complete full answer.
Okay.
Second CIQ he asked, after 5 I forgot. And he kept waiting, and I was like, and I'm like, sir, could you please help me? with a smile. And then he gave me the answers again, questions again. फिर मैं 2-3 के बाद भूल गई.
हाँ.
Like, sir, could you please help me? Then he helped me again. Then started the next CIQ. उसमें भी मैं भूल गई.
Then again.
Then again he helped me. मतलब, but then again, I didn't take this as negative because I didn't come under pressure when I forgot things. As like, he will help me. What's wrong in helping, asking for a little help? I'm telling you a lot of things. I'm telling you my entire life in 1 hour.
हाँ.
On bare minimum, I can ask you, just tell me those questions again. I'll tell you about my life. So first was about my education, obviously. And so since he was a president, his questions were a little like president questions.
Okay.
So he asked me that, what is your academic setback in life? Now I knew he's not asking why did I have that percentage drop in my graduation. So I clearly told him that this is my academic setback, that I had lesser CGPA in my first and second semester. But then I gave him the entire reason that this is why it happened and this is how I grew up. And because in my third and fourth semester I had an increase in my CGPA, so I could boast on it. So I did that. Then he asked me about my jobs, internships, general questioning. He asked about my hobbies. So I told him my hobbies and matlab normal talks the. So I'll tell you 3-4 standing out factors from my interview. One was that, so my father had a background in the defense and he asked me questions around it, which I did not think will come like this. So how I prepared for interview was talking to myself. I talked a lot to myself. It might sound crazy to a lot of people, but I've talked hours to myself. In fact, coming today here, I talked at least 15 to 20 minutes to myself in the mirror to get comfortable to talk about my SSB. So now I prepared my CIQ, my PIQ wise questions, but questions about my dad weren't something I was prepared for. The basic, he can ask me, where all was your dad posted? What was your experience? He asked me that, so your dad had a defense background and you've stayed in the stations. What is one thing that you don't like about Air Force from that perspective? So I was like, what is he asking me? Why will I not like anything? And I'm giving my third attempt. I want to come here. Why will I not like anything about this place? So I told him that I've seen defense as a dependent perspective. I've been a dependent for my father, and that place is a heaven for a dependent. And all the stories that I've heard from my father are so nice that they've inspired me enough to come here 3 times.
Lovely.
Then he asked me that current affairs मुझसे नहीं पूछे.
अच्छा नहीं
पूछे उनके पास बहुत बातें करने को, करंट अफेयर्स नहीं पूछे उनने.
अच्छा पूछ रहे थे तो
सब पूछे थे, घुमा के पूछे थे, उसमें भी मुझे उन्होंने अलग से कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे थे.
अच्छा.
बट ऐसे नहीं पूछा कि गिव मी 3 करंट अफेयर्स.
ओके.
सो इन माय ही आस्क्ड मी दैट हाउ डू यू गेट योर जनरल नॉलेज. तब मैंने बोला था थोड़ा बहुत आई रीड न्यूज़पेपर एंड आई वॉच वन यूट्यूब चैनल अमित सेन गुप्ता व्हिच आई डू रिकमेंड टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. सो ही आस्क्ड मी व्हाट वाज द लास्ट वीडियो अमित सेन गुप्ता मेड. अब लास्ट वीडियो मुझे पता नहीं थी क्योंकि मैं प्रेपरेशन और आने में बिजी थी, तो लास्ट वीडियो तो मुझे पता नहीं थी. बट आई नो ही कवर्स एवरी टॉपिक. सो नीचे जब वी हैड फ्रेशर्स इन द बिल्डिंग, आई वेंट टू देम. उनका इंटरव्यूज हो गए थे, सो आई वेंट के जो तुम्हें करंट अफेयर्स आते हैं मुझे सारे बता दो बिफोर माय इंटरव्यू. आई डिड दैट.
मैंने मना किया था ये सब चीजें नहीं करनी होती.
सर मैं चली गई, मैं एक आध पॉइंटर लिख लूंगी, क्या हो गया. वो काम आ गया, उन्होंने मुझे बताए थे, मैंने वो वहाँ कॉपी पेस्ट कर दिए.
ऐसा नहीं करना, ऐसा नहीं करना. जस्ट बिफोर गोइंग टू द इंटरव्यू, राइट, ये एआईआर 1 से और अच्छा हो सकता था. ठीक है.
सर इट हेल्प्ड मी बिकॉज़ इन दैट
एक्चुअली मैं मना होता हूँ क्यों करता हूँ. देयर इज अ बेसिकली रीजन बिकॉज़ पीपल जस्ट टेक प्रेशर बिकॉज़ ऑफ यू डिडंट टेक प्रेशर. इट इज गुड.
फॉर मी
प्रेशर वो ना भी सोचते रहते हैं मुझसे ये पूछेगा ये पूछेगा, सो दे आर नॉट एबल टू हैंडल दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रेशर.
सो मैं तो बस ऐसे ही लिख के पढ़ के, फिर मुझे पता भी नहीं वो चिट कहाँ थी जिस पे मैंने लिखा था, बट इट जस्ट वाज देयर इन माय हेड.
चिट भी बनाई.
नहीं नहीं सर, वो एक पेपर अब जहाँ मिल गया लिखने को वही लिख ली. And दूसरा question for defense he asked me was that that was related to the background and everything. He was that, what is one thing armed forces Indian Air Force should work on? Immediate question. And उसमें I replied in only one word, was indigenization.
सिर्फ.
He did not cross question. छोड़ दिया, वो आगे बढ़ गए. Then he asked me that, Swani, what is your future in the Indian Air Force? Where do you see yourself? And then I was like, then immediately out of my mouth came, sir, I'll get permanent commission. So I'm going for a short commission entry. And I said, sir, I'll get a permanent commission. फिर मुझे realize हुआ, shit, कुछ गलत तो बोल दिया क्या? And then I reframed it immediately. I was like, sir, I'll be so good at my job, I'll get a permanent commission. That is my future. Then he moved on. Then one question he asked me was, I told him that one question he asked me was, what are your 3 personal achievements that will be fulfilled by joining the armed forces? What is your 3 personal wishes? Don't give this society, just what are your 3 wishes that will get fulfilled? And this was again an answer jo itna I had not imagined. So then I thought ki one was definitely that my father was first in our village, which motivated a lot of people to join. Guys, not girls. I was like, I'll be the first girl so that more girls can feel that this place is for you also, not just for boys. And second was that, yeah, I definitely want to be someone my brother can look up to. And he can be proud that he has a sister like that. And the third was that I've worked in corporate. I had a wonderful job. I loved what I was doing. I was enjoying my job. But when you imagine yourself, what next? What's my future? Being in a corporate setting, imagining myself in a corporate office felt alien because I'd grown up in a different place. I was like, once I come here, that will be something that I can do. Dusra, I also gave him, sir, I will be able to do adventure sports, sir, after coming to Air Force. Then he shot back at me. He's like, Suhani, technical officer will do bungee jumping. I was like, yes, sir, why not?
Why not exactly?
Then he started laughing. This was some questions.
So how exactly interview ended up and you felt okay, मेरा interview अच्छा गया है.
ये bungee jumping वाला काफी extend हो गई थी बात.
अच्छा.
So he's like, what all adventure sports have you done? So I'd done nothing. Maximum. Then he's like, what is the last adventure activity you did? I said, नैनीताल में पूरी फैमिली के साथ बारिश में वॉकिंग कर रहे थे हम, छाता लेके, एक ही छाता था, वो बहुत एडवेंचर फील हो रहा था. Then he was like कि ऋषिकेश, you should have gone to Rishikesh and places like that. Reason I had not gone is because family does not find them very safe. You don't know which, again, Fauji dads, they feel that डिफेंस वाला सब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज फाइन, बाकी तो डाइसी मामला है थोड़ा,
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
यस. तो ही डिड नॉट लेट मी गो एंड इज लाइक ही यू शुड हैव गॉन. दैट इज वन प्लेस व्हिच आई डू से दैट एक्सेप्टेंस. ऐसी जगह एक्सेप्ट कर लो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. वेयर एन आई सेड दैट यस सर करना चाहिए था, अभी कर लूंगी, जाके कर लूंगी. वहाँ पे वो बात रुक गई, वो भी खुश हो गए. ही इज ऑल्सो ओल्ड मैन. You need to act with him like you would act with your dadu dadi. You won't fight with them.
And guys, actually सुहानी ने एकदम सही बात बोली. ये जो मैंने आज सुबह भी आपको बताया था, फैक्टर नंबर 2 एडजस्टमेंट, इसका एक पार्ट है एक्सेप्टेंस. मान लो ना, आइडियल क्यों रहना, रिजिड क्यों रहना. आके सामने वाला अगर एक अच्छी बात बोल रहा है, अग्री कर जा. जब अगर तुम ये बोलोगे नहीं जो मैंने किया वो सही किया है, अगर यही रहोगे तो फिर इम्प्रूवमेंट कभी नहीं होगी. सामने वाला अगर अच्छी बात बोले माननी चाहिए. गुड. सो इस तरीके से ये इंटरव्यू एंडेड अप.
सर एंडिंग तो ये थी कि अब क्या करोगे,
हाँ
तो लाइक अब तो मैं देहरादून घूमने जाऊंगी
हाँ.
मेरा तो सब हो गया, अब तो मैं देहरादून बुक आउट जा रही हूँ.
So how exactly this interview was different from the first two interview?
I was very secure in myself. I
हाँ, you
was
already told it, right कि मतलब एक्चुअली सेकंड में तो माइंडसेट ही डिफरेंट था और
yes.
इस बार मैं तो यही हूँ.
सर मुझसे ये क्वेश्चन था कि एनसीसी क्यों नहीं किया,
हाँ.
स्पोर्ट्स क्यों नहीं किया. यू हैव हैड द एक्सपोजर.
हम्म.
इट्स नॉट लाइक आई डोंट नो अबाउट एनसीसी, आई न्यू अबाउट एनसीसी. बट पहले मैं घबरा जाती कि ओ एनसीसी नहीं किया, अब मैंने क्या बताऊँ, शिट मैंने एनसीसी नहीं किया. बट आई न्यू अब मैंने क्यों नहीं किया था एनसीसी, एंड आई गेव दैट आंसर एंड ही वाज सेटिस्फाइड विद इट. Why I did not do sports, what I have done, I told him and I was okay with it. You have to be very secure in yourself.
So basically, secure guys. Let me explain this term more better. So whatever the things you have done, right? उसके ऊपर तुमको पहले तो प्राउड फील होना चाहिए. ऐसा होना चाहिए कि नहीं भी किया तो इट इज़ फाइन, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. देयर वाज अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन बिहाइंड इट कि मैं क्यों नहीं कर पाया, बट दैट्स ओके. बट ये भी नहीं कि मैं करूँगा नहीं, ऐसा मना नहीं कर रहा. वो जैसा आपने एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेले थे, बट एक्सेप्ट इट सर, हाँ आगे कर लेंगे. बट नहीं किया इसके लिए मुझे ठीक है. आई विल नॉट बी अफ्रेड अबाउट कि झूठ बोल देती हूँ, कुछ डेटा मिसमैच कर देती हूँ.
नहीं झूठ मत बोलना प्लीज. तुम you will get scared yourself over there. It will cost you confidence. You might feel that I'm coming out as the most perfect person ever, but even they know nobody's God, and everybody has their own mistakes. Don't lie about it. Be okay with it and talk about it. It took me 3 attempts, but from my past 2 attempts, I've learned something. I've learned something about me, something about world, something about people, and today I don't regret those 2 attempts. Today it does not make me feel that काश मेरा फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में हो जाता, मैं जल्दी एकेडमी पहुंच जाती. नो, I'm like हाँ 2 नहीं हुए थे, but today I know something. Today I'm more mature, and that will help me in academy.
क्या अब हम बात करते हैं जीटीओ की, राइट? थर्ड अटेम्प्ट का जीटीओ कैसा रहा?
Sir, I'll tell you first about my group.
ओके.
तो देहरादून में जब हम जा रहे थे, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड शी टोल्ड मी कि यार बहुत PR आ रहे हैं, previously recommended, who did not make the merit. So obviously as the person who's not got recommended yet, you feel a little intimidated by the PRs because they've made it. They've cut one hurdle which you are yet to pass. So it's like ठीक है यार, आ रहे हैं, देखते हैं क्या करना है. We got to our room after psych. तो पहले we had an intro session only. तो बात हुई, नाम वाम. I'm like, then I asked कि अब बता दो यार कौन कौन PR है. तो out of 8, 4 were PR.
अच्छा.
Half group was PR. And girls में sometimes you can be a little scared of them because politics हो जाती हैं, लड़ाइयाँ हो जाती हैं. But I will say one reason that my group tasks went very good was because of my group.
ओके.
Very mature, very human, logical, and intelligent people. They didn't do a hatapai. For freshers, it won't happen for you. That is a docile community over there in freshers. As आपके attempts बढ़ते हैं, you get to experience more about people and world. And out of that group, out of 8, 5 got recommended. That is
In your group 5?
yes. That was the strength of the group.
वाओ. गाइस आई कैन टेल यू राइट, ये बहुत अच्छा डेटा है, बहुत अच्छा डेटा है कि 8 में से 5 का रिकमेंड होना है ना. बहुत बार तो ऐसा होता है कि एक ही होता है या नहीं भी होंगे, कंपल्सरी नहीं है.
हमारे ग्रुप के चेस्ट नंबर स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम मी एंड उसके बाद ठक 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 बुलाते ही गए.
कि तुम्हारे पूरे बैच में कितने रिकमेंड हुए?
सर वो दैट वाज द बैच जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा रिकमेंडेशन हुआ है अभी तक. 20.
20. और कितने स्क्रीनिंग हुए थे?
57, 58.
वाओ. बट रिकमेंडेशन का नाम आता ही एक समय पे आके मेरिट का ध्यान आया.
सर आया था,
हाँ.
बट मुझे पता था मेरा SSB अच्छा था.
पर आता है.
आता है ऑब्वियसली.
आता है.
Everybody is your friend until it comes to the merit.
हाँ.
You're not competing in SSB. Nobody is your competition there. your group is never your competition in your SSB. They only become your competition in merit. Don't treat your group as a competition.
Okay, let's dive into more GTO tasks. How was your GD, GP, PGT, other tasks? Because I can tell you, right, like those viewers who are seeing, those students over here, they want to know everything कि इस task में कैसे करना है, इस task में कैसे करना है. आपने क्या किया ये बताओ.
So, sir ka GTO classes were, sir tells one thing with you or without you. That is the Brahmastra for your group testing. I'll start with the group task, the GD. So, naturally, thoda sa English was not an issue because I can talk. That is part of my nature and my personality. But then again, here comes the maturity of your group. कि उनको पता था, हम तो थमका के गए थे थोड़ा सा before the group task. I'm like, you all guys are PR. If you don't give us chance to speak, we'll also do that. मैंने तो बोल दिया था that जो ज़्यादा शैतानी करेगा उधर मैं उसका सामान गायब कर दूंगी.
अच्छा ये बोलो सामान गायब.
Now you know how to behave. Please do behave nicely over there. Otherwise, it won't be good for you. My way or highway, be nice, you will get niceness. And we started with the GD, good GD. काफ़ी points थे. 2 topics मिलते हैं. And my group had a lot of CDS aspirants. So that cleared CDS exam. तो उनका GK was better. तो एक पॉइंट पे हमारा GD ऐसे हो गया था न्यूज़ चैनल की तरह. सो इधर से एक करंट अफेयर, यहाँ से एक करंट अफेयर, यहाँ से एक करंट अफेयर, वो दब करंट अफेयर्स आ रहे थे. एंड मेरे को लगा था क्या कर रहे हैं. सो माई आइडिया ऑफ GD वॉज व्हाट दे गिव यू इन योर ब्रीफ इज इट्स अ टॉक ओवर अ कप ऑफ टी. एंड दैट इज हाउ आई ट्रीट GD. सो आई वॉज प्रिटी चिल. वो देंगे करंट अफेयर, मैं उनको अपनी बात में घुमा के बाहर निकाल दूंगी. You said so and so, so and so, so and so. This is how it relates to me, the side that I am taking, the side that I am more favored to, and this is how it works around it. So I had tons of content to talk about. So मेरे लिए content was not a problem because I was being smart. I was listening. You cannot be like in GD कि you're just talking but you're not listening. You have to listen because once you're listening, you'll get a lot of things to talk about.
Okay.
Second topic maybe it was same way. Now came the group planning exercise GPE. So group planning में, so difference between उसका GD and this का GD is that उस GD में there is no goal. First GD में.
First में तो like you just need to discuss.
Yes.
But in second you have to come to a conclusion.
Yes, you have to conclude a conclusion, and that is where the problem begins. Because now everybody has their own answer. आधा टाइम तुम्हारा प्रायोरिटी चूज करने में ही चला जाएगा. सो यू विल बी कीप फाइटिंग कि पहले बच्चे को बचाना है कि पहले आग बजानी है. सो आई विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू राइट द GPE बिकॉज सर विल टेल यू. सर इज द वन हु कैन टीच यू वेरी वेल. ऑल आई कैन से इज कि हाँ कीप इट स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड ढंग से देख लो. चाहे थोड़ा कम लिख लोगे तो चल जाएगा, बट जितना लिखो वो सही लिखो, वो ढंग ठीक से लिखो. बाकी तो यू विल बी टॉकिंग एनीवेज. And usme the conflicts begin. So this conflicts I had experienced in my screening ka GD also.
Okay.
That was the most fierce GD I've ever experienced in my entire life.
The third one?
Yes, my third screening. There was no theme. There was no main character. There was nothing to give a conclusion about. So that made me prepare कि ये शायद यहाँ भी हो सकता है. But हाँ थोड़ा सा you'll have to set back कभी कभी. You can't keep fighting. If your group is agreeing to something you do not agree to, you'll have to go with your group. Otherwise you are the bad person. So वो सब करना पड़ा. There was a point after my GPE, तो मैं थोड़ा अटक गई थी उस टाइम पे. उस मॉडल से अटैच हो गई थी मैं. So
लगा लिया वो.
थोड़ा सा लग गया था सर मेरा. मेरा ऐसा लग गया था कि है क्या ये सही कह रहे हैं क्या. तो वो सब तो चले गए खड़े होके. मैं उधर ऐसे ही बैठी रह गई और मैं उसको देख रही थी. लाइक अच्छा ये है, ये यहाँ पे ये तो मैं बहुत देर तक यही सोचती थी. लाइक पर हाँ ये था कि आई न्यू कि मेरी परफॉर्मेंस बुरी नहीं है, बट मुझे ये था कि इसका सही आंसर क्या है. तो दैट वाज फाइन. One thing that will happen to you after your GP is you'll see colors of your group.
क्योंकि वहाँ पे इट्स लाइक पहले तो एजेंडा नहीं था ना, एजेंडा है, कन्फ्लिक्ट होंगे, तू मेरी बात माने मैं तेरी बात मानूं. तो वही वाली बात दोस्तों, ये अगेन कोऑपरेशन वाली बात आ गई कि यार अगर ग्रुप कह रहा है तो मान जाओ ना, और अगर नहीं मान रहे तो ये सोशल एडजस्टमेंट के ऊपर स्ट्रॉन्ग इशू पड़ता है.
So I am warning since most of people are freshers over here. तो GP के बाद your emotions that come out are very strong. कि उसने मेरा नहीं सुना, मैं तो ये बोल रही थी, उसने वो नहीं सुना. You will have a very strong emotions and immediately your PGT will start.
ओके.
Please don't keep your emotions while you go there. Otherwise, it will cause you problems. If you start keeping grudges against people, कि उसने तो मेरा तब नहीं सुना था तो मैं इसको फट्टा नहीं दूंगी, it will come against you. So PGT तो was easy for us.
इस पीजीटी में तुमने कितने सॉल्यूशंस दिए?
फिर ऐसे कोई काउंटिंग तो था नहीं,
But
बट हाँ significant.
यू वर वेरी एक्टिव.
Yes.
वेरी एक्टिव.
Not active like so I was active ahead, but then again Hauser taught me, which was very important for me, because मैं आगे बढ़ जाती हूँ और मैं चली जाऊंगी, but at a point कभी कभी it's natural that at that point you might not get a solution. So previous attempts में what my stupidity was that I would stay there despite not knowing a solution. I was stopping my group. What I did this time was, when I did not know, when I am stuck and one of my teammate knows the solution, I switch and then she comes. No problem, मैं थोड़ी देर पीछे रह गई, but I've brought my group ahead.
मेरे पीछे जाने से अगर ग्रुप आगे जा रहा है तो ये अच्छी बात है. अगेन मेरे पीछे जाने से मतलब मैं कोऑपरेट कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपनी पोजीशन सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा हूँ. अगेन फैक्टर नंबर 2, ग्रुप में फैक्टर नंबर 2 बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है. इवन इन अ मॉर्निंग समवन सेड कि मेरा जीटीओ अच्छा है, देन आई एक्सप्लेन्ड हिम कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली जीटीओ अच्छा है का मतलब क्या होता है.
I've seen people those who have not given much solutions. उनके वो solution नहीं बने, but वो दूसरी तरह से अच्छे थे, that is cooperation and your factor 2, and they made it. क्योंकि मैं अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट्स में कंफ्यूज रही थी. आई वाज लाइक यार इसने तो सोल्यूशन नहीं दिए थे, ये कैसे रिकमेंड हो रही है, बट देन इट हिट मी दैट शी वाज गुड द अदर वेज. दैट्स व्हाई शी मेड इट.
ओके. कॉन्फ्रेंस से पहले क्या फीलिंग थी?
तो बहुत चिल थी मैं तो. एक आधा थोड़ा सा नैप भी ले लिया था मैंने वेट करते करते. सो
रिजल्ट सुनाने में तो बहुत टाइम लगा देते हैं.
नहीं सर, हाँ ये हमारा सेकंड लास्ट ग्रुप था, तो हमारे बाद तुरंत ही रिजल्ट आ गया था ऑलमोस्ट.
ओके.
बट इस बार हाउ आई फेल्ट बिफोर द कॉन्फ्रेंस वाज आल्सो डिफरेंट. जब मेरी फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट थी, आई वाज अगेन लाइक डेस्परेट. A lot of aspirants are desperate. That's why I'm talking about desperation. So इतना desperate थी for the recommendation that पूरा anxious anxiety, मतलब I think that is one point in my life where I felt the peak of anxiety. I became feverish. I became red.
In your first attempt?
In my first attempt, before after the conference happened, before the result was coming, because I knew it's not coming. Recommendation तो नहीं आ रहा. तो उसकी वजह से I became my emotions went all over the place. Second में भी यही हुआ. थर्ड में तो मैं इतनी चिल थी कुछ एक्सट्रीम अमाउंट ऑफ चिल, बिकॉज उधर मैं बिफोर माई कॉन्फ्रेंस में सो भी गई. देन फिर मैं उठी, फिर मेरे ग्रुप वाले पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं समहाउ. फिर हम क्यों पढ़ाई कर रहे हो यार, बातें कर लो. बातें करके फिर उधर बैठ गए. फिर जैसे ही सो देहरादून वी हैव लाइक यू सिट 3 people एंड फिर स्लोली आपको बुलाया जाता है. तो मैं तो सबका वेटिंग टाइम काउंट कर रही थी. 1 2 3.
तुम्हारा चेस्ट नंबर क्या रहा?
सो 40.
और जब 40 बुलाया गया, कैसी फीलिंग थी?
तो मेरा तो माइंड स्विच ऑफ हो गया था थोड़ी देर के.
जैसे मतलब एकदम से, क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल से लाइफ चेंजिंग मोमेंट होता है कि जब आपके चेस्ट नंबर बुलाया गया, क्या लगा एकदम से?
सर तो ऐसा जब बुला रहे थे चेस्ट नंबर, तो आई मेड अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो थे वो कुछ आगे थे मेरे से चेस्ट नंबर में. तो आई वाज ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू देयर चेस्ट नंबर्स एंड उन सबका नंबर आता गया. was like यार ये भी चली गई, ये भी चली गई, ये भी चली गई. मैं कहा मेरा नंबर आ जाए. तो मैं रिवाइज कर रही हूँ अपने माइंड में कि मेरा नेम क्या है और मेरा डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है. Then they called my chest number and I went off. I'm like, oh, Suhani, 22nd September, so my date of birth. And then I had tears in my eyes. And then I walked down and there was everybody standing like that. So मेरे ग्रुप के भी काफी लोग इस साइड से आ गए थे. So when I teared up, later I came to know that I made a lot of women tear up over there. A lot of people who got recommended and who weren't tearing up, they started crying. And my friend, she also got recommended. She was in my group. And सब lineup ऐसे होते हैं. We both were hugging each other.
Oh, wow.
So we were like, oh bhai, हो गया finally. This was a very nice moment.
So guys, अब एक काम करते हैं. Let's take questions from you.
Good evening, ma'am. My question is regarding psych. After 5 to 6 TAT story, your imagination is going down. Means you are not able to imagine much more because there are some story like 2 story like accident and 2 story for sports or something like that. So how you imagine at that time you have a little amount of time pressures and overwriting or something happen with you or not?
I did not do any overwriting or cutting in my stories. I was very clear about it कि खिचड़ी तो नहीं बनानी. It has to be clear. And your concern is about that saturation that you achieve when you're writing your stories. अपनी life 22 years हो गए. 50 चीजें you have experienced. How tough is it to write about it? Like sir will teach you. Each story comes in different brackets. Family, negative, not negative. You will do that exercise. Sir will make you do that exercise. Your problem will easily get solved with sir over here. But see, what you're saying is कि 3 accident वाली stories आ गई. अब मैं क्या करूं?
Right.
मेरे केस में 3 sports वाली stories आ गई थी. And मेरा सबका pattern 19-20 था. बट
Okay.
मैंने उस स्टोरी, अब स्पोर्ट्स की स्टोरी है तो मैं स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में ही लिखूंगी. सिंपल बात है. आई कैन नॉट राइट अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. अगर एक्सीडेंट में किसी को चोट लग गई है तो मुझे उस चोट को केटर करना है. सो यू कैन डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व कि अब व्हाट वाज द कॉज ऑफ दैट एक्सीडेंट. व्हाई इज द स्पोर्ट्स बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड. At one point, some person can be preparing for a karate. Somebody might be preparing for a marathon, for Air Force. Somebody might be preparing for defense. That's why they're running. There were 3 different. A person is running, but why is that person running? Is that person running alone? Is that person running in a group? Is it a race? Is it a marathon? Is it a health run? Similarly, for an accident, is it a road accident? Is it a practice? Is it a drill for an accident? Training like firefighting drills जो होती हैं. There's a multiple things. Once you start practicing your themes, it will be easy.
Okay, ma'am. Next is about lecture topic. How you prepare your lecture?
यार लेक्चरेट में जाके बातें करके आनी है और कुछ नहीं करना. डोंट थिंक कि तुम कोई नेशनल लेवल, इंटरनेशनल लेवल स्पीच कंपटीशन दे रहे हो. टॉक टू योर टीममेट्स. डोंट ट्रीट अ टॉपिक लाइक अ essay. If it is about national defense, don't treat it like national defense would have been written in an essay. Treat it like what are my opinions on national defense. What do I think about it? My topic for lecturate was 5-day work system. That is what I spoke on. There were multiple topics. There were other topics which were easier, which we call easy topics. But I chose this. Why? Because this is the closest that I can talk about. I myself work in a 6-day work system. So for me, talking about 5-day work system is pretty easy. I can give merits, demerits, why is it better, why does Gen Z talk a lot about it. And 2 minute कुछ भी नहीं है. और अगर what I say is that अगर रुक भी जाओ, so even if you stop while you're talking, please don't go and sit back. एक बार सांस ले लो, 2 मिनट रुक जाओ, मतलब 2-3 सेकंड गैप ले लो, फिर से स्टार्ट करो. और तेज तेज राजधानी एक्सप्रेस की तरह मत बोलो. It's not about giving 10 points.
First of all, I congratulate you on your success as you secured AR1. Ma'am, I have one question about our psychological test. As you mentioned that you skip only one word And I want to know, had you crammed some SRT's words? Ki whatever, if this word come, I will write that particular sentence. If this SRT will come, I will write only that answer. Had you crammed something before you gone for your SSB?
I've
Or
never
you
crammed.
made everything on your at that spot?
On the spot. I've never crammed anything for the entire SSB. I because sir told to write answers interview के थोड़े से points, तो मैंने लिखे थे. Otherwise मैं वो भी नहीं लिखती. I'm that kind of person.
Um,
I'll tell you how it works. For SRT, just imagine yourself over there. You don't need to learn it. You need to have a strong imagination. Why do people say for SSB you need to read books? I've read a lot of books growing up. Reading books is not for the David Goggins wala gyan and all of that. It's good, but it helps a lot with your imagination. When you read a fictional book, even if you're reading rom-coms, it's fine. At least you'll imagine something. And that power of imagination gets used in SRT. If it's saying a person is drowning and there is no rope around, now I'll start imagining. I'm at a beach, somebody is drowning, there's no rope around. What would I do? I would go and save the person. I would go and swim. And अब you don't think कि सर मुझे तो स्विमिंग नहीं आती तो मैं कैसे बचाता? अरे तुम इमेजिनेशन में तो तुम्हें कम से कम स्विमिंग आती होगी ना. अब अगर तुम अपनी इमेजिनेशन में भी स्विमिंग नहीं कर सकते तुम कैसे करोगे? Same goes for your WAT. Every word say you have some thought that comes to you. 2-3 things that we have said is that don't give the kitabi gyan. If you're giving some gyan, give some gyan जो किसी को भी ना पता हो. अब honesty is the best policy तो नहीं लिख के आ सकते हो तो सबको पता है. तो उस पे how will the assessor judge your personality if you give a quote like this? The sentence that you write should tell something about how you perceive and see the world. That is why we say write observational responses. When we write, suppose simple, if I write a sentence about father. So one of my friend who got recommended once, he wrote a sentence on father was, father disciplines the child. His idea of disciplines was पिटाई करके discipline कर देते हैं. अब इसमें गलत क्या था? कुछ नहीं था, सबके पापा करते हैं. But what would you see? My father is my idol. That's such a generic sentence. But if you see father disciplines the child, that's different. If I write about love, you can write anything. You don't always have to go for your mothers. Go for your mothers is a good thing. But write about anything. Patriarchs, write about patriarchs, write about daughters. Sir ने एक बार क्लास में सेंटर वर्ड दिया था responsible. Now somebody could write be a responsible citizen of the country. That was one sentence जो सर ने मेरी तारीफ की थी तो मुझे वो याद है. तो I wrote कि eldest daughters are sincere and responsible. That was my.
Ma'am, last question. Ma'am, during your entering part, when IU will ask a multiple question in a one go, and then you said कि I asked to him to repeat the question so I can give. Ma'am, at that spot, it may not go wrong कि we are asking the question कि sir please repeat the questions. I do not recall all the questions.
See, my idea of it is I'm giving you 22 years of my life in 1 hour. And I'm going to tell you 1/4 of my life in a set of 10 questions. There are 4 CIQs which are the strong CIQs. 1/4 of my life I'm going to give you in a set of 10 questions. I have to tell you a lot of things. Might forget something, but I'm willing to tell you. That's why I want to tell you. There's a lot that I want to tell you, and that is why I'm not hesitating in asking you for help. अगर मैं उनसे नहीं पूछती और मैं वहीं अटक जाती तो मैं शायद अपने बारे में कोई एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ ना बता पाती और फिर वो ये सोचते कि मैं हेजिटेट कर गई और ना उन्हें मेरे बारे में वो अच्छी चीज़ पता चलती. बस मैं ये सोचती कि यार हाँ मैंने हेल्प नहीं की. I'll just add one more thing.
Yeah.
So SSB entirely is a pressure testing environment. And what I have understood is that SSB is just a mini version of what actually happens in defense. the group testing, planning, interviewing, talking to your seniors. Psychology is how you see things, perceive a situation. A person might run, a person might go in it. So अगर तुम CIQ भूल गए, तुम पे प्रेशर बना. अब दो है, या तो मैं प्रेशर सस्टेन कर जाऊंगी या मैं प्रेशर से डर जाऊंगी. I sustained the pressure. That's why it was fine. I crossed through it. दूसरा ये है कि इंसान घबरा जाए. जो इंसान घबरा जाते हैं CIQ भूल के, उनको प्रॉब्लम होती है. जो बाउंस बैक कर जाते हैं, उनको नहीं.
My question is, if interview asks you that why we recommend you, then what will your answer?
Should I give you the answer that I gave there?
Yeah, please. Definitely.
So you should recommend me because number one, I'm well spoken. I'm not scared when it comes to saying my thoughts, and I'm very dedicated when it comes to doing my job. If you give me a task to do, I will very well make sure it's done. Number two, I'm young and I might not know a lot of things. That's obvious. But I will go ahead, learn it, and get my task done. Number three, I'm a leader. I will lead people. I love leading people. In fact, I will stand up and lead. I won't get scared when somebody tells me that you need to lead 10 people. I'll be happy, more than happy to do it. Number four, I am great at managing things. It comes naturally to me. I can manage a lot of things, and that's what an officer does. You need to manage and operate a lot of things. You need to manage men, people, logistics, situations. And if there are some flaws in me right now, I will work on it and get them fixed. And that is why I'll be a good officer.
अगर थर्ड अटेम्प्ट में नहीं होता तो और कितने अटेम्प्ट आप दे सकती थी, मतलब अपनी उसी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ?
तो सर मैंने ना जब मेरा थर्ड अटेम्प्ट था तो मैंने सोच लिया था अब तो मैं 100 दे रही हूँ, पर इसके बाद मैं अपनी लाइफ के दूसरे पाथ पे चल पड़ूंगी. देती रहूंगी यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये एक सपना है, बट आई हैव टू मेक लाइफ वर्क एनीवेज. I really look up to and appreciate people who go above and beyond and give 20 attempts. That is a huge amount of dedication, a huge amount of persistence that you can do. But for me personally, it was that, yes, this is where I am giving my 100% now. If I make through, it's fine. If I don't, I will still come back. But I have other things to do as well.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to know about your daily routine during preparations. और generally IO भी पूछते हैं कि how did you prepare for SSB?
So, I'll tell you my routine when I was doing online classes. That was the most hectic routine I have experienced. So, morning I get up, I do my I help around my house and everything. Kabhi if I felt like I'll go for a running, or I'll not, if it does not feel like. And then I would read the newspaper subah, get ready, 9 o'clock off.
Newspaper is mandatory.
हाँ सर, स्टार्टिंग में इट सीम स्कैरी टू यू, बट रोज अगर एक आर्टिकल भी पढ़ोगे ना तो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ोगे ना you'll see the second. So treat newspaper like gossip or tea. It's geopolitics. Tea, it has a T in it. The girls will relate how to treat it like a tea. It's like a gossip. वहाँ पे यूक्रेन में ये चल रहा है, अच्छा इतना हुआ, उसने ये बोला, अब मुझे जानना है नेक्स्ट क्या बोलेगा. So I'll read the newspaper. Treat it like a tea. I treated newspaper like a tea. So I was like, oh ये हुआ, अब आगे क्या होगा. तो उस curiosity से पढ़ोगे तो, because for our generation that's how it will work. Stop treating newspaper like लिख रहे हैं, पढ़ रहे हैं, मत करो please. Just treat it like a gossip or a tea. That is the most easy way for Gen Zs to read the newspaper. And I used to read newspaper थोड़ा बहुत, वरना शाम को पढ़ लेती थी.
Okay.
और then I used to have my office 9 to 5. Used to get extended to 5:30 also. Then I would freshen up, do my things. 6:30 class में बैठो, 9:30 तक it will go on. And उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत अपना homework जो भी सर ने दिया करो. And I used to go at sleep at 10. My body clock has been set. अब it might feel a very idealistic to you. I do suggest कि सो जाया करो. But नहीं सर, अब सो जाओ. सोना बेटर है. छूट जाएगा तो कोई बात नहीं, 2-4 ट्रेंड छूट जाएंगे. कुछ नहीं होगा. But yes, sleep at 10. अभी भी my clock has been made that way कि if you take me to a marriage, 10:05 पे I'll start yawning. तो वो एक अलार्म सा होता है, पर चल जाता है कि 10 बज गए. सबसे फर्स्ट तो सिंपल है, सुबह उठ जाया करो प्लीज. डोंट स्लीप लेट बिकॉज इट व्हेन यू स्क्रॉल and you use a lot of social media or anything, I'm not against it. It's our generation's path of communicating and getting to know about things, and it's fine. But in a limit, obviously. रात को कोई, मुझे तो नहीं लगता कोई बहुत झंडे गाड़ता होगा. Everybody just overthinks, and the best way to switch it off is to sleep. Please go and sleep at 10. And wake up early, have your 8 hours of sleep. And you'll feel good. Starting it will be difficult. Once it gets in habit, it's pretty easy. Wake up, help around your house. You'll learn a lot of management. Our mothers do the most management anybody could. It's the those level 1 of management that you can learn is doing your household chores. चाहे अपने ही खुद कर लो. अपने कपड़े मम्मा को मत दिया करो, अपने आप धो लो. अपना ब्रेकफास्ट खुद बना लो. It will make a little momentum in your life that yeah, मुझे अपने आप करना है. You will become self-reliant. You'll have more to talk about in your interview at least. You won't be a baby. One thing I do suggest is get a job, please. Please do get a job. Even if it's unpaid, do a job. Internship भी कर लो, चलेगा. Please don't aim at 24 lakhs वाले packages and कि हम सीधा झंडा गाड़ेंगे. Like, I had somebody tell ki I've done degree from a certain college, so I cannot do a less job. I was like, there has to be a starting point, please. And doing a job will bring a structure in your life. वो अपने आप everything will start running. Because when you're too free, you are too distracted. For me, my job helped me a lot that way. Because मैं सुबह शाम आधे टाइम काम के बारे में सोचती थी, आधे टाइम SSB के बारे में सोचती थी.
मेरी एनडी एंट्री है. मैं अभी जैसे मेंस में बिजी, बोर्ड सब में बिजी था, तो मेरे करंट अफेयर्स नहीं है प्रिपेयर इतने ज़्यादा. तो उसके लिए मेरे को अभी ज़्यादा करंट अफेयर्स पे काम करना चाहिए, या जितना हो रहा है उतना ठीक है?
Boards हो गए.
हाँ, बोर्ड्स हो गए.
And your competitive exams are done
यस.
for your college.
यस.
That's your first priority. वो because वो हो जाना चाहिए. That is.
हाँ, वो सब हो गया है. अब सिर्फ एसएसबी है मेरा.
अब सिर्फ SSB है.
हाँ.
फिर तो you can give your 100% ना.
मतलब करंट अफेयर्स फुल डीप में पढ़ूँ अच्छे से?
नहीं, वीडियो देखो बस. थोड़ा सा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लिया. Since you're NDA entry, so some things might be very alien to you. You might not understand a lot of things since you're just out of school. But watch, since the same YouTube channel that I talked about, you can refer to it, watch videos. थोड़ा सा creative, colorful videos देख लिया करो, so that you might not get attracted to the knowledge, but you might get attracted to the illustration.
I have question about my hobby, as I am habitual to read the books, newspaper, but I not read in the sense ki I should cram something, I should note down and jot down some activities, what were happened in that book and how they written it. So can you tell me, ma'am, if I will tell my interviewing officer ki my hobby is reading, then how type of question they will ask me and how can I reply them?
First question they'll ask you is, what is the last book that you read? If you read, you'll have to tell them which book you read, and one which is your favorite. 2-3 questions. Which is the last book you read? Which is your favorite book? Who is your favorite author? If you read books, you will have these answers.
Yeah, ma'am, basic knowledge I have, but I should go in deep कि what contents in these books and what special I should prefer, and is required to note down some contents from the
No,
books.
you don't have to. Right. If you're reading out of joy of reading. I read out of the joy of reading. So, a lot of you guys might be reading books, Subtle Art of Not, and a lot of books, self-help books. ठीक है? I don't read those books. I don't like reading those books.
Ma'am, what I scared, कि if I will tell them कि I read the books, and if he will ask me what type of book read I, So if I'll tell you, कि
What type
sir,
of books do you read?
ma'am, I read books like wars related, like 1962
Wow.
war. The book is Himalayan Blunder, which written by the Brigade JP and Dhal.
So,
Uh,
can you tell me something about the book?
Yeah, I can tell you the Himalayan blunders pertaining to the Indo-China War, which was held in 1962, where it involves the bad and lack of procedures and leadership of our India, where former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister that time, and he not involved in that phase, and he not give ample opportunities to those leaders who exactly worked on military forces. But due to the involvement of politics in the military, they appointed so many un undisciplined, or we can say that not a level officers who could not lead the. And second thing, our politics was not given ample opportunity to our soldiers, and they did not get enough rifles and in terms of equipments, and they just fought for the nation, and they lost their life there.
I believe this much of information.
So, yeah. So, did you write this information anywhere?
No, ma'am, I
No?
just read it.
You read it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, why is it needed to write if you read so nicely that you knew it so well that you could tell it to me? There's no requirement of writing.
Ma'am,
You
I am
like-
scared it. If he will ask me, okay, tell me about if you read the 1962 war, and so tell me the heroes and tell me what was the exact location. If you know, so
That is just a pressure testing. He's trying to put you into pressure. And even if I say कि sir मुझे exactly नाम याद नहीं आ रहा, but yeah, this is the extract that I gathered from the book, which you just told me. There's no problem. मैंने तो you've to read such great books. I read about a book जिसमें it was literally about murder and action. और उसके बारे में I talked so confidently in my interview, and even the interviewer had saw a movie on it, so you got into a complete conversation. Your interviewer will get in a conversation with you, and you just need to get on. Interview is a conversation between two people getting to know each other. It's just that you won't get to know him; he'll get to know you a lot.
So, ma'am, earlier what I did, I not mentioned so many things on my PIQ, and those things I exactly did in my school time. But due to the lack of the answer, okay, if he will ask me the question about the weightage of the football and the some kind of players, because I was fond of to play the football and I lead my team numbers of time and I was the captain of my village, but I do not know the main players of overall, and which country is performing better, and what are the main contents we should highlight in the football.
So, if somebody asked me this question, and if I was you, that I love playing football, and I've been my captain of my village, I've led people, I've played well, but I don't know that who is the best team, who is the best player. I play for the love of playing. I play because I enjoy football. I enjoy it with my friends. I enjoy the sport. I don't know the current affairs of it, but I play it because I love playing it. And you can say it there.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. My name is Samit Kumar. My question is how one can learn opinion building on a particular topic
By reading.
by reading only. Is there any other way?
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है,
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है.
By reading, watching YouTube. That's all.
Okay, and
By
can,
talking to people.
yes, by discussing basically you are saying. Okay, and how newspaper reading will help in this opinion building?
Editorials जो होते हैं newspaper में, for any newspaper you take, I was reading Hindu, and if you take any newspaper, I'm not saying just read Hindu, जो अच्छा लगे वो पढ़ लो, कुछ भी पढ़ लो, please. हिंदी भी पढ़ोगे तो चलता है, but read the editorials. So editorials are basically the author's opinion on a current affair, and you see how that person who's the author sees a current affair. You might relate to it or you might not relate to it, but some opinion will be formed. Not relating is also an opinion.
And ma'am, last question is for SSB aspirants, what are the two things which they should do on a daily basis? Means 2 things.
Get a job, start working, please. You are asking from a preparing
Preparation
perspective.
point of view. Yes.
There are a lot of things. One, if you're preparing specifically for interview, please talk to yourself. Talk to yourself about everything. That will help you a lot with your interview. If you want to know how do I look while talking, if you want to see how my hand actions look, how do I look when I smile on a certain thing, talk in front of a mirror. मतलब हम तो इंडिया में बोलते हैं कि ये तो अपने आप से बात करती है, क्रेजी होगी,
Yes, sir.
बट प्लीज इंटरव्यू के लिए मेरे लिए तो सबसे बेस्ट वही था. I've been washing clothes and been talking to myself about interview. Sir, कहीं भी, if I'm cooking something for myself, I'm talking to myself. Suppose interview ने मुझसे ये पूछा, फिर मैं उसका ये reply दिया, फिर मैंने उसमें कोई crazy cool सा आंसर बना दिया, फिर मैं अपने आप ही खुश हो जाऊंगी कि वाह मैंने कितना cool आंसर दिया, अब तो इंटरव्यू भी खुश हो गया होगा.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
And second is obviously please start working actively on your plan B. Plan B does not come after 25 years when you're ineligible for any branches or any forces. Plan B comes after, once you decide, plan B has to be a constant process. अगर तुम masters भी कर लेते हो, you don't become ineligible for any of the branches. In fact, you become eligible for 2-3 more branches, especially when it comes to Air Force. Please work actively on your plan B. Don't keep your plan B like कि अब ये तो plan A तो नहीं हुआ, अब plan B पे काम चलेगा. And दूसरा plan B has to be something concrete. It does not have to be कि plan A तो Air Force था, मतलब Armed Forces, plan B UPSC है. Another 4 years.
पहाड़ के बाद एक
और एक और पहाड़. तो please don't do it that way. And all the people who are doing BSc, please start doing your masters. Don't cry कि हमने बीटेक नहीं किया था. Don't do it.
सुहानी, आपने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के आपने जवाब दिए एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मॉर्निंग यही सारी बातों पे हमारा डिस्कशन चला है एंड आई बिलीव आप लोगों को एक और कंफर्मेशन लग गया, भाई ये तो कॉपी पेस्ट हो चुका है. गाइज इट मीन्स कि एक पर्टिकुलर काइंड की एक रास्ता है अगर इफ़ यू कंसिडर सुहानी टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, राइट. और अगर आप ऐसे ही बनना चाहते हैं तो समझो सुहानी और सुहानी जैसे बहुत सारे जैसे आप भी लोग हैं, there are some habits that we need to follow. Habits will create a big difference. Habits, इसके ऊपर तो कितनी बड़ी बड़ी किताबें लिखी गई है. एटॉमिक हैबिट आपने पढ़ी होगी. द चॉइसेस दैट वी मेक, जैसे आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि ओपिनियन कैसे बिल्डअप होगी. ओपिनियन बिल्ड तब होगी व्हेन यू रियली वांट टू डू समथिंग. अगर आप बैठे हुए हो तो आपकी ओपिनियन बिल्ड नहीं होगी. जब आप बातें करोगे किसी के साथ, अभी रिसेंटली यूएस और ईरान के बीच में कुछ हुआ, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. तो यू आर नॉट शोइंग द इंटरेस्ट, मतलब तो तुम्हारी ओपिनियन फॉर्म नहीं होगी. तुम्हारे अंदर एक पर्पस होना चाहिए. यू शुड रीड, यू शुड इंटरेक्ट, बातें करो तभी. और एक अब ओपिनियन तो फॉर्म हो जाएगी क्योंकि इफ़ यू टॉक टू एनी रैंडम गाय ओपिनियन बिल्डअप हो जाएगी. बट अब तुमको कैसी ओपिनियन चाहिए? ऑफिसर माइंडसेट, एक बड़ी माइंडसेट. उसके लिए ही बोला जाता है कि ऑल ऑफ यू शुड रीड एडिटोरियल. आप पूछोगे ना सर क्या पढ़ाई करें, कहाँ से पढ़े? डेली आता है एडिटोरियल और ये सबको पता है. द ओनली थिंग इज वी विल जस्ट नॉट डू. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि सीएस जो सो कॉल्ड सक्सेसफुल का हमको फॉर्मूला नहीं पता, सबको पता है. आज सुहानी यहाँ पे बैठी हुई है, आप में से कल कोई भी कैंडिडेट रिकमेंड हो जाएगा, मैं उसको वापस बिठाऊंगा. ज्ञान सबको पता है, बट असली बदलाव आता है एक्शन से. एक्शन से. आई रियली लव वन थिंग अबाउट यू सुहानी, जब तुमने बोला ना इवन व्हाइल कुकिंग यू आर टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ, सो कंसिडर लाइक हाउ मच सीरियस शी वाज, लाइक शी वाज थिंकिंग ऑल द टाइम. दिस इज रियली वेरी गुड. शी वाज सीरियस अबाउट इट. 3 अटेम्प्ट मुझे लगता है बहुत कम में समझ गए. आपको बस एक अटेम्प्ट चाहिए था. समझदार आप पहले से थे, आपको सिर्फ डायरेक्शन चाहिए था.
True, sir.
राइट. एंड गाइस टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, AIR-1 की चाहत नहीं होती. चाहत मत करना, ये खुद आएगा, खुद आएगा. ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं AIR-1 की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. तुम बोलो मैं अपने आप को हर एक दिन बेटर करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. इट इज जस्ट अ नंबर.
Now see, I've come AIR-1. Somebody who's come any rank and goal is to make it to the academy. चाहे AIR-1 से आओ या कहीं से भी आओ, गोल ये है कि मेरिट में जाना है और एकेडमी जाना है. Once you reach academy, everything is zero again.
Exactly.
So it's again the same, hard work begins.
ना 10th में आ गए, तुम्हारे 100 में से 100 95 आ गए, अरे वो तब के तब थे, दैट्स इट. फिर 11th आएगी, फिर 12th आएगी, फिर कॉलेज का फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, अरे इंजीनियरिंग निकाल लिया, चल बढ़िया. अब जॉब ले ली, अब प्रमोशन ले लिया, उसके बाद आगे, उसके बाद आगे. मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, ये AIR1 की चाहत रखो. आई वांट टू बिकम ए गुड ऑफिसर. अपने आप को हर एक दिन बेटर करो. आ गया. गाइस, मुझे लगता है कि इट वाज रियली वेरी प्रोडक्टिव, राइट? एंड थैंक यू सुहानी, आप यहाँ पे आए.
Thank you so much, sir.
मुझे एक्चुअली बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि आपने इतनी सारी बातें बताई ना. अब इस बात से मुझे लगता है कि इट्स गोइंग टू बी हमारा एक अच्छा रिकमेंडेशन आएगा.
Sir, I have dreamt about this day to come over here and talk. Because जब I joined the online batch, so for us the way of getting getting to know recommendations was the common WhatsApp group.
हाँ.
तो उस टाइम पे हर फ्राइडे किसी का नाम आता था कि so and so has got recommended गणपति बप्पा मौर्य. एंड एक टाइम पे इतना हो गया था फ्रीक्वेंट कि आई यूज्ड टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू फ्राइडेज कि अब कौन आया. एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू सी कि एवरीबडी इज कंग्रेचुलेटिंग, देयर सो मेनी मैसेजेस फ्लडिंग इन. तो एक तो मुझे को वही हो गया था कि यार मेरा भी एक बार सर ऐसे मैसेज भेजते हैं कि सुहानी इज गॉट रिकमेंडेड. एंड व्हेन माय मैसेज केम, तो सर मैंने 3-4 दिन बाद भी उसमें ऊपर स्क्रॉल करके अपना मैसेज को देखा है कि हाँ मेरा मैसेज आया था. एंड आई हैव सीन द पॉडकास्ट्स बिफोर जो सर के होते हैं. At a point, I was seeing it ki what do people talk, and today and a few days ago, I saw it from the perspective that what am I going to give it back now?
व्यूअर्स, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको जितना सब कुछ चाहिए था एक रिकमेंडेशन के लिए, आपको डेफिनेटली मिल चुका है, राइट? मुझे लगता है आप सबको मिल चुका है कि भाई हमको लाइफ में करना क्या है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट पता है, अब करने की बारी. यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑफलाइन वाले बच्चे वो तो कर लेंगे, जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आप कब कैसे शुरू करोगे आप सोचो. You wanted an interview, you got the interview. You have more questions, guys, please drop it in your comment box. Suhani, thanks a lot for coming to the SLB site.
Thank you,
Right.
sir.
Very proud of you.
Thank you, sir.